Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course. On this part 166, verifying OTP code is in Laravel the easy way. In this part 5, let's start video. First of all, this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. Inside this available Apache and MySQL is already started, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this real estate underscore Lara underscore 11, this is a database name, and my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let's run this project directory. Inside this command prompt open cmd open this project directory inside. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's slash admin login. Slash admin login. Successfully login screen is available. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789, and this is a password. Let's login and not now. Successfully not now. Let's click this email OTP. This email OTP is a send, and this verify is a pending. This is an email. Let's this email is click this user. This is a user. Click this. Inside this is a null is available. This is a null is available. Inside this emails OTP send. Let's OTP send, and this is a OTP send. Please wait. Successfully OTP is a send, and this is the OTP verify, and this OTP verify. Let's refresh this page. Inside 29 entry is a refresh this page. Click this refresh. 29 is available. This is OTP is successfully available, and this is OTP. Inside this any OTP is implement, and this is a die is available. This is a die. Please check this previous video, otherwise lost of doubt your mind. Let's first of all, this is a URL is a copy. Inside this is a copy and paste here. This is a find. This is a available. This find. This URL is a post method is available, and this is a copy, and this email controller OTP controller is available. HTTP, and this is a controller OTP controller, and this function is available. Email OTP verify post. This is a function is available, and this is a DD is available, and DD is a show. Let's step by step implementation. This is a command, and this is a table name is this table is a user table is available. This table is a user, and this is already included. This is a user model is already included. First of all, this user model, and this is a model. Inside this is a user model is available. This is a by default. The same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here, and this is a name is available. This is email OTP, and this is a paste here. Let's step by step implementation. $count is equal to, this is the same name, cut and paste, and this is a where, and this is a field name is a email OTP, same name is a cut and paste here. Save file, and this is a email OTP field is available. Inside this email OTP field is available. Let's new field is a implementation. This is not available. Let's click the structure, and this is a new field. In this is a verify 01. By default is a 0. This is email OTP. Click this, and this is a new field is a implementation OTP verify. This is a field in integer. By default 4, as default 0. 0 means not a verify. 0 comment no. This is a not a verify. and 1 is a verify. Yes, verify. This is the include that. Please write down and save file. This is a working. 0 is a not a verify and 1 is a verify. By default is a all, 0 is available. By default is a 0. Not a any email ID is a verify. This is the email ID is a verify and this is a 1 is a update. This field is the same name is a field is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste here. This two field email OTP and this is a email OTP and this is OTP verified. Two field is a successfully implementation. Let's step by step starting. Is equal to request $request, and this is a name is available. This name is a email OTP same name, and this is a count is a set. Good, working. If is empty count set copy and paste here. This is a count, else, and this is a paste here. Return redirect back with success, and this is a OTP is not verify. This is a successfully set. Next is a $user is equal to user same name is a copy, same name copy and paste here, and this is a first. Save file, and this is a $user and this is the same name is a copy, this other was cut and paste here is equal to 1 $user, and this is a save file. Let's return redirect in this is a return redirect with success email OTP success verify. Save file, successfully verify, and this click this back button, same name font small, and this same here copy and paste here. This is a paste here. Save file, all good. Less extra is a remove. Save file, all good. This is a fine, successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this is a OTP is a verify. This is a OTP is a verify. This OTP is a less wrong OTP. This is a implement. This is a wrong OTP is a implementation, and this click this, and this is a OTP is a not a verify. OTP is a not a verify. Let's inside this is a message a set different message. This is message file is available. Message file is available. This underscore message same success and error message. This copy error message in this is a paste here error message, and this is a message file is already included. Please check this previous video. Verify inside this file is include underscore message file. This is a message file is include that this file inside this is already included. Please write down this OTP verify, and this is a name is available. This is a name, all good. This is a write down. This is a file. Please check this previous video, and this is all set. Let's again this refresh this button, refresh this page, and this is a 888, and this is a verify OTP, and this is a refresh this page, and this is OTP is not a verify. Good, working. Let's refresh this page, and this is a not a verify. Let's refresh this page, successfully not a verify. Let's same name is a copy, this copy, and this is a one update. This is OTP set this is a successfully updated. Good, OTP is a successfully updated. Good, working. Let's refresh this page, and this is a one is a set. This is a successfully set, one is a updated. Let's click this email OTP again, and this is a implementation, same name. This is a copy, and this is not available, and by default is a 0. Let's click this send, and this OTP is a successfully sent, and this is a verify. Please wait. This is OTP successfully sent, and this OTP screen is available. Let's refresh this page, and this is a OTP is available. This is a included. This is OTP is included. Let's different OTP is a set, and set inside this set, and this is a not a verify. This is a unverify. Let's refresh this page, and this is a not a verify. This is a not a verify. Let's again this implement correct OTP and send, and successfully verified. The OTP is successfully verified. Refresh this page. Verify successfully. OTP is a verify. All good. Please write down. This is a all screen is a write down. Please write down. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help 24/7. Anytime contact. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is always available. And this is my error solution code. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link. And this is a part is a 5 is a done. This is a all part is a done. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 all part is done. This is the last part available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This is all done. Thank you.